Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to install the windshield rear view mirror. Now in my case, what happened, I just picked up this car from the car auction and the mirror that was on fell off and this part of the mirror is broken. That's why it's falling out, because typically all the mirrors mount the same. There is like a small metal plate glued to the windshield, and then you just slide the mirror onto that plate and tighten it up with a screw. But here, as you can see, this is broken. So what I did, I bought aftermarket universal mirror for 15 bucks, and I will just show you how to install it. And here is that tightening screw, and this one actually came with the plate already. Now how this is done, most likely if your mirror is falling down, this plastic piece on the mirror is broken. That's why it is happening, and you should have this plate on your windshield. If you don't have it, you will get one with the new mirror, and then what you have to do, you just have to tape it using glass adhesive to the front windshield, right? So you can buy that at any hardware store. One tube, just tape it to the windshield, let it dry, and once it's nice and tight, you will just slide the windshield on and tighten it up. Like I said, in my case I have the plate already, so I will not be showing you that part, but that's easy, just glue it. Okay, so what I will be doing in my case, I will be loosening up this screw and then I will be removing that plate. And once this is nice and loose, that plate should just slide out. And now this is ready to be installed. And now to install the mirror, it will just slide on. And once that is done, again you will just tighten up that screw, but be careful not to tighten it up too hard so you don't break the glass. And that's it. You can move it in any direction, or you can use day or night view, right? Most of the factory and aftermarket rear view mirrors will be mounting this way using that plate and the screw. Now some newer models might have some kind of a tab or a switch instead of that screw, but this is the cheapest aftermarket mirror and a simple one. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.